Missing person alert. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Orleans County Emergency Management. There were reports of 10 missing people, but the identity of these people will not be revealed. If you see any missing people, do not go near them, and call 911 for help. Tune into more information, and repeating, a missing person alert has been issued for Orleans County until further notice. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Harris County Emergency Management. A civil danger warning has been issued for all of Houston, effective immediately. People who were gone missing a few hours ago came back looking like zombie-like creatures. The following characteristics can identify these creatures: black skin, pink spikes on their back, sharp claws, sharp teeth, pink glowing eyes, extreme aggression, and super fast speed. If you encounter a creature, run away as fast as possible and call local authorities. The entire city of Houston will go into shelter in place. The exact nature of people disappearing and coming back looking like creatures is unknown at this time, but many others say that it is due to the Valentine's curse, but that cannot be confirmed. If your loved one or your family members have gone missing, call 911. Do not attack these creatures as they are extremely dangerous and could kill you in a matter of seconds. Stay tuned to another channel for more information on this event.
Incoming message. Incoming message.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. There are numerous reports of these creatures that are attacking everything in the following states: Texas, Louisiana, Florida, Connecticut, Maryland, Virginia, California, Nevada, Oregon, Hawaii, Missouri, and Iowa. Recent discoveries by local authorities are that the event with these creatures is called Valentine's Strike. So far, this event will be over in the next hour, so all residents in the affected should continue to shelter in place until the next hour. Stay tuned for dates.